Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Got pretty big news today. Alright, so we finally hit the first milestone. We got 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys a lot for subscribing and watching my videos. It took quite a while to get here, but we got this. And hopefully from now on it's gonna go a little bit quicker to the next milestone, to the 10,000 subscribers. If you are new here, please browse my channel and check out the videos. And if you like it, please subscribe. I make car and motorcycle content, street bikes, dirt bikes, DIY, camping, motorcycle travel. Currently I got a street glide. I mean, it's not a street glide, it's an electro glide. And I got a dirt bike, it's a KTM 300cc. So you can see a lot of those bikes on my channel. I'm trying to do my best to upload the video every single Wednesday. Thanks a lot one more time. And let's hit that 10,000 real quick. See you guys.